How to transfer money from Stripe to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Stripe to bank account. Let's dive right in. To begin, go to stripe.com and log in to your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate it to Balances. Here you can see all of the balances and payouts that you should be getting soon. Now you can see right here that the payouts are scheduled to business days. These are my settings. Now if you click through here, you can see that this is my bank account that is connected to my Stripe. So if you would like to change this bank account, you can simply click here and you can edit your bank account details. Now also you can change the payout schedule. So you can have it automatically every day. You can change it to every week or every month. That is up to you. You can also access this page by clicking the setting icon in the top. And in business settings, click on external payout accounts and scheduling. This will bring you to this page. In this, you can change the start day and time. You can set your start of day to make your automatic payouts reconciliation. Now, if you go back to balance here, also you will be able to see right here that you can ask, where are my payouts? So if you're waiting for some money from Stripe into your bank account and you don't know where the money is, usually you'll be able to get some information here in the itself. As you can see, my payout expected to arrive in between 8 to 15 September. And if you scroll down, you can find your recent completed payouts. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, turn on bell notifications, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.